adventure, discovery, experience. Here is the true essence of my life. In the library of my experiences, I've come to cherish my passport above all my books. It's a gateway to endless stories waiting to be lived, a testament to the countless tales it holds. Take a breath. Let me open this chapter. I will guide you to the depth of my thrills. Life is a journey where each destination is a chapter in a story waiting to be written. I've learned to live each step, considering each horizon to expand and friendship to deepen. In a trip, I discover not just places, but fragments of myself. They are the treasures that enrich my soul. With every new sunrise, we embrace the call to wander, to venture beyond the known boundaries. While I navigate through the labyrinth of experiences, I try to push myself to benefit from the beauty surrounding me. Living each moment as an invitation to dance and to pack my curiosity, embrace the unknown, wander through the uncharted territories of this remarkable world. As the sun kisses the horizon, I realize that life has seconds that beat faster than others. It's all about adventure, about unlocking the treasures of this world and savoring every life moment to the full, surrounded by the right people. Friendship becomes the compass guiding my journey, the constellation leading me through the cosmos of existence. To this trip on Réunion Island and to all my future adventures.